Hello kids, are you ready? Let's open my school bag. What's inside? It's a book. What's inside? It's a pencil. What's inside? It's an eraser. What's inside? It's a notebook. What's inside? It's a pencil case. What's inside? It's a glue. What's inside? It's a ski source. What's inside? It's a ruler. What's inside? It's a dictionary. What's inside? It's a color pencil. What's inside? It's a sharpener. What's inside? Please subscribe. Bye!